In this video, I will tell you how to connect and install an EPSON printer on Windows quickly and easily without complicated setup steps. Start by opening the Windows search bar and typing printers and scanners, then open the settings page that appears. Before trying to add the printer, make sure your EPSON printer is turned on and fully configured physically. Your printer must either be connected to your computer with a USB cable or connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network as your computer or laptop. This part is extremely important because Windows will not detect the printer correctly otherwise. After checking everything, click Add Device. Windows will automatically start searching for available printers nearby and your EPSON printer should appear on the list. Click on it and the system should automatically install all required drivers and complete the setup process by itself. If your printer does not appear on the list, click Add a new device manually. Then select the second option from the bottom exactly like in the video and press Next. Your EPSON printer should now become visible there. If neither method works, the problem is usually related to the Wi-Fi connection, USB cable, or incomplete printer setup. In most cases, reconnecting the printer to the same network or restarting both the printer and computer fixes the issue. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.